Yes, it's another beautiful afternoon. Tuesday, 27th of May 2025. Actually, the month soon done. My month, which is June. June rolling. Anyway, look at this. Just leave Golden Grove Square, my viewers and my subscribers. Heading to Amity. Look at this. What is this? Paving. So today, I'm going to drive from Golden Grove to Amity and stop by some areas to give you the latest that's taking place out here, my viewers and my subscribers. A lot of things happening on this side. Work non-stop. And you will be seeing it once you continue watching the video. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you can be in line to witness, to see all that is taking place, all the videos that will be posted by Clarity Flex Jamaica TV. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So I'm going up to show you all the happenings right now. We have an overcast condition, right? You see it? Cloud, kind of dark, rain falling, but nevertheless, we're gonna continue on this journey for you to see what is taking place in eastern side of St. Thomas. See it here? Paving, my viewers and my subscribers. So I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna stop and show you the happenings. I'm gonna go straight with this video to Amity. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. I know what again? I'm gonna go straight up the alley crossing and go up where they're actually preparing the asphalt for you to see a little thing happening out there. Viewers and subscribers. The video here, you'll see too much. First, you're gonna see so much in a video like this. I'll be stopping by the bridge also out by Amity to show you what's taking place. But this is paving non-stop on this section of the road, my viewers and my subscribers. Look at the road, how it's pretty and wide and broad. Drivers, remember, be careful and driving on this road. Be careful when you're doing your thing. Don't overdo it. Don't speed up. Take your time on the road. New asphalt going on, my viewers and my subscribers. So they're out doing the work. Look at them, man. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So I'm gonna go straight to Amity and then I'm gonna come back out here and stop and show you some of what's taking place. I'm gonna stop by the asphalt plant out by all the grass, my viewers and my subscribers. As I said, this video you're gonna be seeing a lot in this, so you cannot afford to skip no segment of the video. Continue watching until the end for you to see. We have an overcast condition, as I said before. I only hope I can continue driving and give you the journey from Golden Grove to Amity. Today, Tuesday the 27th of May 2025. We are out again, my viewers and my subscribers. Big up to all my subscribers. Big up to all the ones that will be subscribing after watching this vlog. Look at it, man. Look at this. Just imagine when you leave Golden Grove and going to Portland, where road are gonna be pretty, man. People, look at this. I know some of you watching it right now and believe me, you must run water, wet run water, because you feel so good and think of food and you want a taste of it. Nah, this one is still about I truth, man. Look at this. Non-stop. So them carry it right back. They want to go and join up with Amity's section, because them start pay from all crossing to Amity, so they want to go back on that section. But believe me, nothing taking place, my viewers and my subscribers. So just drive with me as I go along the road. And remember, I said enough stop me and make enough things you're gonna be seeing in this video. So don't cut it, Don't short change the video. Continue watching. So I'm going to go straight up to the asphalt mixing machine or plant up by Alley Crossing. Drive with me as I take you on this journey, my viewers and my subscribers. Yes, nice, decent driving. Get in. Yes, viewers and sub, look in front of you, that is Alley Crossing. Now look straight up, you see that smoke coming out of the chimney. That is where I'm gonna take you. That is where they're actually making the stuff to put on the road. That is where they're actually making the asphalt to put on the road. So that is where I'm going right now for you to get a better look at it. Because remember, they do everything out here now. They have the CHEC compound out here, so I'm driving up there right now for you to get a closer look at what they're doing. So just continue watching the video, my viewers and my subscribers. Yes, you know, I try to give you as much details, as much things that taking place as possible. So this is another one exclusively. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. See there. Look at what's taking place, man. No joke about it. So this is the office, the site yard. Look over there. Yes, look over pretty. This is China Harbour site yard, my viewers and my subscribers. But anyway, let us go up. Alright, you can see the truck loading material preparing. That is where we are now, getting a closer look at the activities that are taking place here right now. Paving taking place today. Yeah man, so far, good concept, brother. Alright, big up. viewers and subscribers, as I say, this is the asphalt machine, mixing machine for the paving. So I just stopped by actually show you what taking place over there. So I'm going to continue on my journey straight to the Amity where I promised to take you. So I'm going out back now on the main road, leaving this section, and this road is on the Rolandsfield Road. Yeah man, I don't think I've mentioned it since driving up here. This is on the Rolandsfield Road now, so I'm going down back to the four-way crossing, the alley crossing, then I take the left turn, take me to Amity, my viewers and my subscribers. So just continue join with me until I go that side. And remember, we're having an overcast condition, not sure when this rain gonna start, but I'm still going, still doing my thing, still driving along with you in mind. See it? So we're gonna take the left turn right now. So straight is where we're coming from, Golden Grove, where they're actually doing the paving right now. But going to Amity, you're gonna realize, you're gonna see that they did some paving from this section also. So let's continue and enjoy my viewers and my subscribers. See if you can beat the rain, beat the cloud, beat everything, so that you can get a good video for you to watch. Yes, we're outside again. And again, I must pick up all the vloggers who actually doing these things to promote St. Thomas, sending St. Thomas to the world. Big up all of you, right? We take this work serious. We always outside getting updates to give to you. So thumbs up to all the vloggers them in St. Thomas who is doing this thing right now, showing St. Thomas to the world, promoting St. Thomas in a positive way. Yes, so we're continuing on a journey to Amity now, my viewers and my subscribers. So just continue watching as I proceed on this road to that side. Oh, the rain coming, viewers and stuff. The rain is coming down. So you know, so you have to stop because the GoPro is outside. The rain start far now, so you know I have to continue on the journey because I start and the rain start far, so I have to still continue on the journey to show you all the paving from Golden Grove to Amity. Actually check out doing the work for St. Thomas people, and as a matter of fact for the whole entire Jamaica and the world. Lot of paving taking place. The rain stop again. Continue journey the same way. Pretty, so road pretty man. Clean and pretty. Shine. Pretty road. So this is Eastern St. Thomas, so taking you from Golden Grove to Amity. I'm not going over the hill, I'm just going to stop down where the bridge is. Just giving you the latest update, and as you see before earlier, leaving Golden Grove, then out there paving right now, and we stop out by the plant for you to see a little of what actually the plant section look like also, while getting the asphalt ready to be using to pave the road. see a little thing on the windshield, but because the rain falling and things like that, but you don't know it already. You have to still continue with the video. Road pretty. This one skilly man. Look at skill now. Skill now. No, it's a skill man.
All of the bag caca but you grass in there. Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Grass man. Big up. Grass I say now, the G is on it. Yeah. I put the G on it, so don't feel that I say Mr. Arman. G is on it, grass. What time now? What's so late? 3:53. 7 minutes to 4 now, no? Water, I see water run going thing here. See that water, alright, so the water running, look here the viewers, you see, look at this side. So they have like water running here, so we're supposed to run. But here so don't kinda look. Anyway, you must have like a water pan road sometimes. But actually water run where it's supposed to run.
Regina clean out the stone and stuff of them.
So the sun coming out back now. So I'm going to take you to the bridge, go by Amity and see if I can get a little comprehensive view, a little more detailed view of the bridge. A long time I will stop around here and show you what's taking place. So normally I do a drive through from the other day. So wow, look there. You soon can drive on the bridge now for about next week. Anyway, I drive go on the other side and just come back and do a little walk through and show you, give you more details and what actually going on out here by the bridge. Yeah man, this is Amity. Well, some people say it's a box culvert, but to me I see a difference. Bridge and box culvert serve the same purpose. So yeah, we are so used to the word bridge instead of box culvert. Alright, so outside again. Overcast condition right now, viewers and subscribers, but I'm out by the bridge or box culvert out Amity. So as I mentioned earlier when I was driving past that, I'm going to come and give you a more detailed look on this section of the road. Speed limit 15 km/h. More water. So this is a new box culvert or a new bridge that they actually construct. Right. And they have this one like this up before it's Kensington. Alright, so this is it, viewers and subscribers. So I'm just on the bridge right now, or the box culvert. But I see them make something done there, so I don't know what is it. I see I can walk down there and see what. Alright. Sit here. Probably after the water. Oh, let me make a wall. It's a wall I make here, so. It's stone. So let me put a stone wall here. So the bridge. So the water take a corner and go down. You see it? So this is underneath it. Water coming from up there. Come round. So this is like a training ground now. So the water just take the corner, see it? Take the corner and go right down to the other side. Right. So I can give a little view of system down here. So this will go way up. Way up. It's big enough. So they would say no, it's a double box culvert. A double box culvert with a bridge to me. See it here. Just want you to see that they actually construct something new down there. Top there. You'll soon start driving on this thing here. That's the Amity Primary School up there, up top, that yellow building. Alright, so you can see exactly where we are right now. Let's make go back and go to the other side and see what's happening around here. So as I said before, they're going to put a wall. This is a wall, because you can see the stone them. They may put more stone here to carry it right up to control the flow of water. So water going to come right through those areas and come right around and continue straight down there. Alright. So I'm going back. The man might use some language. What in kitchen video. So this up the top now. It's wide, you know? It's wide. Alright, so we can go to the other side and come on. So the river, see it up there? Going from up, that's up, we call it again, Roland's Field side, see it? Of Roland's Field, come down. But no water not in it right now, so the water gone. Probably that's what drought, it gone. Anyway, so this is it. Yeah, I'll do that, man. Go, relax now, go. Tito, sunflower bite, man. Here. So that vibe coming from Amity. So I'm standing on this bridge or box culvert now. I'm standing, I'm walking on it because I'm moving, so I'm walking on it. See it? See mobile over there, so? Alright, so I am right now. Yep. Place kind of overcast, so you might not see too clear still. It's a single lane still, so approach with caution right here. For now, single lane. That one up is a stop. Now come to viewers and subscribers, remember, if you're new to the channel, first time watching it, remember, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, because I know the Clarity Boss always outside getting these videos to give to you, always trying to share all the happenings with you. Remember, if you're all new, share the video, comment on the video, thumbs up. So this is where I'm gonna start my viewers and my subscribers with this drive. So we're at the Amity now, the foot of the Amity community. So thanks again for you to be a part of the Clarity Flex Jamaica family. I always say love, peace and unity to all my supporters. Yes, thanks again. So we're not going over the hill and just showing you all the paving that taking place from Golden Grove to Amity. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So sign up there, say Amity, so you can see where we are right now. Out again. We have an overcast condition, but nevertheless they are still outside doing the work. Alright, so this is what actually taking place now. Yes, viewers and subscribers, it's a good look. It's a good look. Come on, see it here. Come on, so we're outside with Barney, aka Ryan Rich Road Vlog. Same the people.
One Ryan Rich out
here. Like, him are doing the content, no one on the road work, no one on him out here every single day.
Guys, you know, I give you guys some update of the asphalt paving. We'll get some rain early on, but it kind of break, you know. So I'm continue the work, I'm put in the work rapidly out this side. You know, when the rainfall out here always full of water. So they want put on the asphalt on the road surface before the rain chip in. Because I know if the rain would up the mall will have to do back again. And then I want the mall dig up back. You understand? So I put in the asphalt work in the meantime. You know, it's a long stretch from Rolling Grove, heading towards all the crossing, a whole heap of work, you know, guys. A whole heap of asphalt to take place out here, you know, on the ground, you know, in the parish of St. Thomas. Yeah? And if you come to St. Thomas, man, and if you come visit St. Thomas, you have a bad fountain, you know, you have the botanical garden, you have Annual River, and you have Fish Cove.
You have Grandpa Falls, you have Reggae Falls, you have Roselle Waterfalls, and you have the real gateway to St. Thomas now, the Murray Bay Urban Center. That the Murray Bay Urban Center where the old Goodway factory was. Yeah, man. So people, see, as Barney Ryan Rich said, come at St. Thomas now. So what we are doing now, we are just giving you a little view of the asphalt paving now that's taking place out there right now. So we're on the ground. We're on the ground going up now, my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, man. So we have an overcast condition. Now it's mid to 5. So we're out here in the evening, right? But I want to show you exactly what is taking place. So that is the reason why I actually come out this section right now, to show you all the happenings right now. What going on, yeah, man. How you feel about what takes place out here, man?
Yeah, I like the road, you know, like how the road make and such like, you see me?
No, man.
But the vehicle man, you know, take time. Enough of them are go there.
No, hold on. Once you see that again, once you see that part the Lord, you know, once you see the part the Lord, because them not here. What's about the vehicle man them?
Them are dead because they not take time.
We don't really want that happen, but we just want
no,
to
but
take
you can't stop it, because look here, the road fixed and whosoever gone and the road done. You can't tell them if it take time. One day I saw one bike man pass before this gone. Come like a lift the bike or lift up like plane. You understand? No easy in bucky gas. You see anyone look something happen? Eh? In dead as net. Yeah, man.
Alright, so
yeah, man.
You appeal to them for they take them time on the road.
Yeah, but look here, enough time people are talking and they still not here, because we have one run now and van up crossway to go on town court. You understand? Up by 7-day church.
Alright.
They're not here. So you have to slow them. When they're dead, we get rum for drink. Yeah.
Rum for drink.
Yeah, rum for drink. And drinks and eat more food. You understand? They're dead yard because they're not here.
They're not here.
They don't want to live out them days.
Alright.
They have to love them. Yes, Irie, yeah?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself for now. Yeah, man. So,
hear that, guys? Hear the man say? The man will not take time drive on the road. You understand? And the asphalt is a brand new asphalt on the road surface. So, you know, the moment you drive hard and you have to hold the brakes.
bigger. So what are you saying about asphalt and brake and whole brake?
See, asphalt, the asphalt have good quality now, you understand? And it's a brand new road we are get with good quality asphalt on the road surface. Any idea? Man must take time drive, roads have to go wet. You understand? And you want to mash the brake so don't slide, you can't slide, I can't fling it, I can't go a bush. You understand? So the asphalt is 3-inch thick out here. That's what this 3-inch thick out here on the road surface.
Alright, so people, driver, remember now, you know this morning I was going into Kingston this morning now. Actually, I was going into the airport this morning. That was after 5. I was going to the airport and 2 vehicles overtake me. I'm out by 3 Finger Jack heading into Kingston from Murray Bay. And believe me, within a minute after they overtook, I heard something, and when I go on there, it's the second vehicle that passed me, crash.
Yeah.
You understand me? So it's like say we don't understand the things, so we must take time. Coming back from Kingston now, step out by Albion and buy some gas at the gas station. Leave the gas station about 200 meters from the gas station, going into Murray Bay direction. A black car overtake me. No, by me look in my mirror. It's a car undertake me this time. It's a white car undertake me this time. No? Yeah, man. Straight up. And then it's about to reach out by retreat. A big accident on the retreat.
So,
Yeah.
how would you
So,
accident?
yeah, but we never reach in time to see some of the vehicles. We only see one over there mash up like a turnover. Yeah, so drivers, remember, make we just take a temp on the road, man. Please, may I beg you, make we take a temp on the road. Right? And you see, going to Kingston this morning, I was driving and looking out for we call it gravel on the road. Spill out of truck. Yeah.
Gravel.
So I was driving, looking out, so I wasn't going fast. I was going like 60 and 70 on the highway. That's what I was going, the speed I was going, right? Because I know that sometimes gravel spill out of trucks and cause problem out there. So I was trying to avoid any accident out there going into Kingston because I was taking some people to the airport. And you know, I try my best to be on the safe side at all times. Yes, so that is it, man. Let us take our time on the road, people. We could take a time on the road and do the thing the right and proper way. Yes. So anyway, let's continue on this, showing you some of the asphalt paving that's taking place out here right now between Golden Grove and Amity. So we're outside again, my viewers and my subscribers. Sit here, enough asphalt paving taking place, and the road feel nice, you know. It feel nice, believe me. Already. So we're on the Planting Garden Road bridge right now. See the Planting Garden Road down there? See it? Wow. Vibration hard here, so. Yeah, Planting Garden, same PGR. Yeah, PGR River. Come on, so see the truck emptying up in the machine there. Yeah, can't feel the bridge. Remember, drivers, please let us do the right and proper thing. Take our time and drive out here. Up. And I can say the stretch of road from Amity to Golden Grove, believe me, I'm appealing to the drivers, please, capital PLEAC, please take your time on this section, because while driving from Golden Grove to all across the board, I saw some driving on the road. And most of the vehicles that passing and doing those drivings are ones that taking people from point A to point B regular. You know what I mean by regular? Or me now say I owe them, but big sense out of nonsense. So please make we just try our best and just try our best and do the right thing. Let us try our best and do the right thing, man. Right? And I know the police going to be out here often. The police going to be on this stretch often to protect the people who are traveling. Right? So make we just do the right and proper thing, man. Take your time. Yeah, man. The police going to be out here often, and I know that. Look at the stretch, man. Look at the stretch. Go way down there. Look, alright, look here. So we down there, so from there, so come right up to the bridge here and go right up to Alley Crossing. Believe me, it's a long stretch, and make sure enough race. I think I do a race. I go on to here,
Night race, I'll go out here.
Yeah, man. So people, no racing on this road, no night racing, no racing out here. Believe me, no racing must take place out here. All right, big up, Mr. Clarity Flex Jamaica, man. No racing, please, drivers. Instead of betting money out here to race, put down your money, save the money. Because the money that you're going to bet, it might be the one that actually supposed to bury you. And you lose it. So when you crash, it's still not going to bury you. So just make we take your time, man. Sorry to say that, but trust me. Yeah, man. It's smooth and nice, you know. Yeah. So when a man lift up out here, so him not east tackle. So I'm appealing on this stretch of road because this is the longest stretch of road in eastern St. Thomas right now. Between Portmorant and Savannah Bridge. This is going to be the prettiest section of road. So let us try our best to do it the right and proper way. Look at it, man. Look at it. Oh God. Yeah, man. If let me want to walk, go down on it now. If let me want to walk, go down some more on this road, man. Look at pretty people. Only hope when the rain fall, none flood did not take place much of the road here now. Please. We don't want that to happen.
One thing clean up the canal. I think my clean the canal go down to the bridge, man.
Man, see a city here.
Yeah, my clean man, but my clean the water.
Look at this, man. Look at the road. May I walk some more now? May I walk some more go down, you know? Trust me. May I walk some more go down? Yeah, man. See it here? Beautiful road. Oh my. Oh, that's where we're coming from. Look. See the road there? Look at yourself. Oh my.
It's a nice stretch. It's a nice stretch.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It was pretty. Alright, so this is it, my viewers and my subscriber. I'm just giving you a little walkthrough right now on it. Because boy, I don't want to drive point alone. I want to walk point too, man. Trust me. I really want to walk point also. Driving alone now go. No, sir. I want to walk on it also, man. Walk and show yourself. Nice walk on too. Yes. No potholes. Nothing at all. Smooth sailing right now. See it here? Oh my. Long time I don't get a video like this. Long time I don't do a walking asphalt video like this to show you. But this one capture my eyes, man. So I have to really stop and take the time out to be walking and showing you what actually taking place right now. Oh, look at it. Look at this. Can't believe this is St. Thomas. Who believe at St. Thomas this? You won't believe at St. Thomas. Look at it. Walking on this nylon, this pretty road. You see me I walk on my foot and feel nice, point now. Feel nice. Hey, mister. Feel like take off from my foot them. When I feel nice on it. Trust me. Yes, man. Like this. And so they have some drainage system here. This is one of them. I have a lot of them on this section right now. Yeah, man. So we don't walk in it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Look at this. Yeah, man. This is it. Nice looking road now. Tell me how you feel about what going on, St. Thomas people. Tell me how you feel about what going on. Don't be biased. Don't be biased. Because this is a good look for the parish. This is a good look for the parish. So I'm just giving you a little walk on it, man. I have to walk on it. Believe me. See it? I have to walk on it. And remember, you see where they're actually doing the making the asphalt, because I stop up there and show you where they're actually making the asphalt for this pretty road. See the next culvert here, right down here, so. But I'm not showing that today. I'm showing the pretty road. What I'm showing them there, pretty road. Yes, viewers and subscribers. Remember now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the post notification bell. So what? You can be notified whenever a video is uploaded, because you can't afford to miss these videos. You cannot afford to miss out on these. No way. It's hard for you to really miss out on these. So you have to subscribe to the Clarity Flex Maker TV channel in order to get these videos. Viewers are my subscriber. What is that? The Clarity Mobile remote control camera me have now. Yeah man. It's a remote control Clarity Mobile me have right now. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So we're out again, getting the updates to bring to you. Look at this. Who would believe this would happen to St. Thomas? Alright, Eastern St. Thomas. Alright. So one more culvert here. So a lot of them, enough out here to take away the water off the road. So they're trying their best to help this side of St. Thomas with the water problem on the road. The flooding, yes. So give them a thumbs up, man. Big up all who make this possible. Big up all of the local workers. Because right now, a Jamaican actually doing the paving. Right? A Jamaican doing the paving right now. Yes. I'm out here in the sun and rain. Because right now, it was raining. And they're out here right now doing this for you. So big them up. Big up China Harbour. Big up the Prime Minister. Big up everybody who make this possible. Yes, and big up Clarity Flex too. If you big up the Clarity Bar now, to be out here doing this to give to you. Yes, my viewers. So what else here, so?
Yeah, that's on this end. That's on look for.
Yeah.
That's a low.
You have to try to get
rid of it. Never build up.
Yeah, I have to try to get rid of water.
Never build up. Never build up yourself. See it on belly now.
Thank you, driver. So one more culvert here, so. So enough of them on see it. Enough. Yes, man. So we understand we're walking viewers and subscribers. Just to give you a little walk, just giving you a little walk through on the section. Hey, man, I tell you, everyone too pretty for me drive upon alone, man. Yeah, man. It's pretty, you know. Hey. Me know say no. The man must test out the vehicle here, so no. I hear so the vehicle have test out, no. It's who have speed from who have speed, you know. Yeah, man.
I'll buy them.
Yeah, man. So people remember, don't race on this road. May I beg you, please don't race on this road. Don't race on this pretty road. It might be fatal. We don't want that. This is what? Eastern Banana Estate Yard Gate, original gate, main gate. Alright. See it here. Alright, so that's at the main gate, Eastern Banana Estate, remember? Alright, look how it's there right now. It's so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, man. Main entrance to the Eastern Banana Company. So viewers and subscribers, actually I give you a little walk on this pretty road. So I'm gonna see if I can do some driving now to go back to Portland side. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. Tell me the truth. Tell me how you feel about this pretty road. How you feel about this development of St. Thomas. We have the Mark Bay Urban Center that recently ribbon cutting ceremony was done to hand over the shops them so that people can actually go into their shops and actually do the finishing touch so that they can open their stores. Remember, out there is not yet open, then just have the ribbon cutting ceremony to hand over the keys to owners of shops so they can do what they want to do with it. But anyway, this is out by Golden Grove right now. I'm at right now where they're actually doing a lot of paving from Golden Grove to Amity, right? So just a small section in the Amity community leave to pave, right? So this is after you pass the Golden Grove Square heading into Portland. Lots of paving going on out here. So I'm here today getting all these updates to give to you, my viewers and my subscribers. So just remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever a video is uploaded. Remember, if you're new or an existing subscriber, thumbs up, comment, share the video. And remember the odds them continue watching the ads and viewers and subscribers. This is how we actually get early dividends so that we can come out and get content to give to you. Right? See it? A lot of drainage system out here. A lot of them on the road, this section. So until we meet again, thanks to be a part of the Creative Flex Jamaica family. Love, peace and unity. See you in the next vlog. Out for now. Stay safe and continue watching all my videos, all my posts. Yes, thanks again. Out. Way up that side I'm coming from, viewers and so. Way up there, up by the bridge. Let's make a zoom it in and some more showing the bridge up here. So where they are right now. See it? That's where I'm coming from, right?